Today I'm putting my financial knowledge to the test as I challenge a 10-year-old to see if they really understand money better than I do. You might be surprised. Kids today are learning smart money habits that many adults struggle with. Let's see how well they do. Did you know that studies show many kids today are learning about money earlier than their parents ever did? Financial literacy is becoming a big focus in schools, but the question is, can a 10-year-old actually understand money better than an adult? Today, we're going to explore just that. Most people assume that kids don't understand money. Adults often struggle with saving, budgeting, and investing. Yet kids are being introduced to these concepts in simple, effective ways. So, what if a 10-year-old could actually make smarter financial decisions than a grown-up? Are adults stuck in bad habits that kids haven't picked up yet? Let's put this to the test. Let's break down some key financial skills and see how kids approach them. Saving. Many kids learn early to set aside part of their allowance instead of spending it all at once. How many adults struggle with this exact habit? Budgeting. Kids who manage their own money, even small amounts, get an early lesson in making choices. Should they buy a $5 toy now or save for something bigger? Investing. Believe it or not, some kids are learning about stocks, assets, and passive income from a young age. Imagine if you had started investing at 10. Let's talk about a real-life example. Meet Lucy, a 10-year-old who turned a simple allowance into a small business. Instead of spending every dollar, they reinvested their money, learned about profit, and even started saving for their future. If a 10-year-old can think like an entrepreneur, what's stopping the rest of us? So, what do you think? Can a 10-year-old really understand money better than some adults? The way they save, budget, and invest could actually be smarter than many grown-ups. The real question is, are you using these strategies in your own life? Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever been surprised by how well a kid understands money? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you want more tips on financial literacy, check out this next video on smart money habits for adults. Don't forget to like and subscribe.